Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all doing great. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to execute your playwright test cases on mobile device emulator. Okay, so far we have been running our tests only on browsers, correct? But today we will see how to run the same tests on mobile devices like iPhone, Android, and tablet without using a real phone. Okay, before jumping into coding, if you're a beginner, I want to explain what is emulation and what is simulation. Okay, so it is very simple. Emulation means making one device behave like another device. Okay, I'll repeat once again. Emulation means making one device behave like another device. Example, like you're using calculator on your laptop, correct? So it looks like and works like a real calculator, but it is not a physical calculator, correct? Your laptop is just behaving like the real calculator. Okay, so that's what emulation is. So now simulation means copying or imitating something. Okay, I'll repeat once again. Simulation means copying or imitating something, how it behaves. Okay. So when we say mobile emulation or mobile simulation in Playwright, it simply means that your computer behaves like a mobile device. Okay, it simply means that your laptop or your computer behaves like a mobile device. Okay, so when we use mobile emulation, so what happens is your screen becomes small like a phone screen, and website thinks that we are using a mobile device. Okay, so first thing what happens is your screen becomes small like a phone screen, and website thinks we are using a mobile device, and the display is getting adjusted to look like a real mobile device. Okay, so I hope you understand what is mobile device emulation and simulation. Okay, so now I'll use the same spec file, and so I'll just launch just one browser in mobile device and I'll show you. Okay, so import test expect and devices. Okay, so you know what is test expect. I'll explain you what is devices. I want to import it from playwright tests. Okay, so what is devices? So devices is a collection of predefined mobile configurations provided by Playwright. Okay, I'll repeat once again. Devices is a collection of predefined mobile configurations provided by Playwright. Okay, so don't get confused. It is not only for mobile device, it can be for desktop device also. Okay, even if you want to run our test cases on desktop, Chrome or Safari, we use devices word. Okay, so it is a, you can just understand like devices provide environment to run our tests like mobile device or desktop. It can be anything. Okay, so now, so I want to execute this test case. This particular test case is on iPhone 13. Okay, so I have to use test.use. Okay, this is important. Test.use, bracket open and put curly braces and put three dots and devices, and within a square bracket inside a single quote type the device you want to run on. So I want to run on iPhone 13, so I'll type iPhone 13. Okay, so here I'm saying test.use means I'm saying the playwright that to use all the settings of a real iPhone 13. Okay, I'll repeat once again. So whenever we say test.use, here we are saying, and whenever we mention the device name, we are telling the playwright to use the all the settings of this device iPhone 13. Okay, so now I'll write the test mobile device emulation. Okay, so await page dot go to I'll take this. I'll just only launch. So just to see, I'll just wait for some time. Wait, sorry. Page dot wait for timeout. Wait for timeout. I'll just give 5 seconds. Okay, so now, so it will execute on the device iPhone 13. Okay, so in playwright config file, what I've done is I've removed all the by default the settings we had for browsers. Okay, so I removed all of them, and I've only mentioned name colon default. Okay, okay, so you know that how it was earlier, correct? It has devices to run on Chromium, Safari, and Edge. So I removed all of them, and I'm keeping only this one. Okay, okay, so now let us execute this. So next I'll show you like how to remove the settings in the spec file, because that is not ideal. Okay, so usually in real projects we do not keep the configuration, that mobile emulation settings inside the spec file. We keep it inside the uh, config file. Okay, so you can see that. Mobile device iPhone 13. Okay, so now what I'll do, so here in the config file, so here we have test again mobile devices viewports. So I'll just uncomment this. I'll uncomment this. And there is one option if you want to know the available devices here, like I will use this console.log object colon keys. So if we type devices, so it will give the list of devices available. Okay, so I've uncommented this. I'll comment again. So it will give the list of the available devices or playwright supports. So if you want to use any of them, you just take the device name. So here you can see, so suppose you want to run on Nexus 4 landscape, like just copy this and paste it here. It will execute this test case on this device. Okay, okay, so I hope you understood this much. Next, so we'll go to config file. So I'll just uncomment this again. Okay, so here it will be like a Safari or web browser. So instead of just giving that name, I'm giving the device where we want to execute on. Like here I want to execute on Pixel 5, so I'm giving the same name. This is just a label we can give. And iPhone 12, so here I'm giving the same. Okay, so if you want to run on any other device, so it is just you can add this device here. Okay, so copy this, and here you can change the name, like iPhone 15 Pro, like copy this, give the name here and here. So it will execute on iPhone 15 Pro. Okay, okay, so like this you can add devices names you want to test this your test cases on. Okay, so what happens if you keep it in spec file is this will be limited only to this particular spec file. So if you want to execute, or if you want to execute your all the test cases in all the devices, like it is better to keep it in config file. Okay, and like you can add a number of devices here, like whatever devices available. Okay, okay, so now, like, I'll just remove this line from here, just comment this. So here we have config file. Okay, so I want to run on like iPhone 12. Okay, so the way we do, like select the browsers, we can select the mobile device also, like hyphen hyphen project is equal to, we used to say chromium, correct? So instead of, if you want to run against these devices, you can mention the device name, like, I want pixel 5, press enter. From the terminal also we can choose the devices. So it launches the pixel 5 mobile phone.